Are you struggling to choose the right term for your project? There's a lot of terms out there and choosing the right one might be confusing. Well, in this video, I'm going to help you find the best term for your project without you being confused. Whether you are running an online store, a blog, or a business site, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to consider before choosing the term for your site is, what is the purpose of your website? Is it a blog, a business site, or an online store? Your term should match your site's purpose. For example, a blog needs a term that highlights content, while an online store needs to focus on product layout. Another thing you need to consider before choosing a term is speed and mobile responsiveness. Speed and mobile responsiveness is the key. People will leave your website if your website is too slow and doesn't work well on mobile devices.
Don't angry me. Gari nikalo.
I recommend you use terms like Astra and Direct Express that are lightweight, fast, and mobile friendly. The third thing you need to consider is customization option. Your site should be easy to customize, especially if you don't want to code. Look for a term that offers drag and drop builder like Elementor and Beaver Builder. Another thing you need to check is SEO friendly terms. Your term should also be SEO friendly to help you rank higher on Google. Look for terms that are optimized for speed and coded well for SEO. Some good examples are Ocean, WP, and Navy. And lastly, check for reviews and support. A terms with bad support can become a headache. Make sure you choose the good one that has good customer care and a strong community for help. Those are the things you need to consider while choosing the theme. Remember, your theme sets the tone of your entire website. So take your time and choose the right one that fits your style and your goal. Help you. If this video have helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more website tips. Thanks for watching.